Moringa is such a miracle plant that is filled with rich vitamins and minerals that are great for our hair. Moringa is rich in nutrients such as vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin E, iron, and zinc. And all of these nutrients work together to nourish the scalp, nourish our hair, strengthen our hair strands, and generally improve our hair health. It is that one plant that does amazing in nourishing our hair and keeping our hair healthy. Hi guys, hello beauty, welcome back to the channel. So today's video is all about ways you can use Moringa in your natural hair care. Ways you can use Moringa to nourish your scalp, nourish your hair, strengthen your hair strands, and basically keep your hair healthy. So if this is your very first time being here, you are most welcomed. My name is Goodness, and on this channel it's all about natural hair, DIYs around natural hair, natural beauty remedies, wellness tips. So do consider subscribing, be part of this community we're building. Don't forget to also give this video a like and share this video with your loved ones. Don't also forget to share your thoughts in the comment section. And thank you to all our returning subscribers. Thank you for all your support. So we're talking about Moringa today because Moringa is actually a powerhouse when it comes to taking care of our natural hair. Moringa is a miracle plant, a superfood. It is that one plant that you can include in your natural regimen, and it will change your hair game. It will keep your hair healthy from inside out. Like Moringa is that one plant that will do a lot for your hair. It is that one plant that when you include it in your natural hair care, it will help your hair, it will change your hair game, it will nourish your hair will naturally heal and become healthy. So there are ways you can actually include Moringa in your hair care. Personally, I have found ways that works for me. There are several ways out there, but I have decided to put it into 5, and this 5 is what I'm about sharing with you right now. So number one way you can actually use Moringa in your natural hair care is to use it as a hair growth oil.
Using Moringa as a hair growth oil is easy. Just add Moringa powder into a jar. You can add other herbs like I'm doing here. I've added my fenugreek and rosemary herb, and then go ahead and add your oil of choice. Here I'm using olive oil, but you can choose any oil of your choice, after which you double boil it to just heat it up a little of about 1 to 2 minutes, then leave it to sit for 2 to 3 days so it can infuse properly, and then filter and add your essential oil. I'm using rosemary essential oil, but you can use any essential oil of your choice, and here it is ready. You can use it on your hair and on your scalp.
Healthy scalp is very important for our hair to thrive. Once your hair growth oil is ready, go ahead and apply it directly to your scalp. Especially this particular one I shared with you, it's very easy to make and very healthy for your scalp. The oil that I use is actually very good for the scalp, so you can apply it directly to the scalp, massage it right into the scalp to keep the scalp healthy, and you can also apply it to your hair to nourish your hair and also to lock in moisture. And another way, which is the second way that you can also use Moringa, is to use it as a hair butter. Very easy.
Making a Moringa hair butter is so easy. You can choose any butter of your choice. I prefer to use shea butter, and I'm adding my hair growth oil into my shea butter. You can use your DIY hair growth oil or any oil of your choice, and after which I will go ahead to add my Moringa powder into this shea butter. After adding my Moringa hair butter, next is to melt it, and I'm going to use a double boiling method to melt this. You want to melt it till everything is fully melted, and then you leave it to cool down for a while and harden up. Once it hardens up, it is time to whip it up. You can whip it as long as it gets so fluffy to your desired fluffy texture. So you want to make sure you whip it. It can take up to 5 to 10 minutes to get this kind of fluffy texture, and then store it in your desired container and use it to nourish your hair strands and lock in moisture.
This is one way that I have found very useful, very great for my hair. And using it as a hair butter is so easy to make. All you need to do is to infuse your moringa powder into your butters alongside your choice oil, and you have an amazing hair butter that you can apply to your hair. And this particular one that I shared here on the video is very easy to make. You can apply it to your scalp, you can apply it to your hair to also nourish your scalp, your hair, and lock in moisture. And the third way that I have found to use moringa is actually to use it as a hair mask.
So a hair mask is basically a deep conditioner you apply to nourish and strengthen your hair strands. And in here I have my rice, which I pureed and strained to get this consistency, and then I will go ahead to add my moringa powder. Now it doesn't have to be only rice puree or rice conditioner. You can add your moringa powder into any deep conditioner of your choice, add in your oil and then apply to your damp hair. Apply it on a wet hair, leave it on your hair, and then wash it off completely after about 30 to 40 minutes, and then follow up with your normal hair care routine. And this will go a long way to strengthen your hair and help your hair to absorb all the nutrient that comes from moringa. It's such an amazing deep conditioner.
If you have been on this channel for a while, you must have come across some of my moringa hair conditioning videos, and so it is easy to make. You can add moringa powder into any hair conditioner of your choice, your DIY hair conditioners, deep conditioner actually. So you can add it into your DIY deep conditioner or your store-bought deep conditioner and just apply it into your hair. Allow your hair to sip in all the nutrients that comes with moringa, and your hair will definitely thrive. Another way you can actually use moringa is to use it either as a hair rinse or a hair spray. Very easy to make. And
using moringa hair spray is a perfect way to refresh your hair and keep your hair from drying out. And it's so easy to make. So you have to use either a moringa powder or moringa leaf to do this. I prefer to use moringa leaves, but you will still need to use the same method for moringa powder. So just put your moringa leaves in a bowl and then add in hot water or warm water and let it sit for a while till it infuses properly. When it infuses, you will notice that the color is going to change a bit. So I usually leave it overnight, but you can leave it for maybe 4 hours or more to infuse properly. And once it turns like this, go ahead and filter and use it to refresh your hair.
So once your hairspray is ready, you go ahead and mist all over your hair to hydrate your hair and keep your hair from drying out. You can also use it as a hair rinse, especially on your wash day. After washing your hair and shampooing your hair and rinsing it up properly, you can pour your moringa hairspray or hair rinse all over your hair and allow your hair to slip in all that nutrient that comes with moringa, and your hair will definitely be healthy. The last way is actually my very best. There's no better way to wake up in the morning than waking up with a cup of moringa tea. Very nourishing to the body and very nourishing to the hair. Like, your hair will be nourished from inside out, and it has amazing benefits for our hair and not just our hair,
but also our overall health. So enjoying a tea cup of moringa powder is actually a powerful way to enjoy all the richness, all the vitamins and minerals that moringa is packed with. So it is easy to make. Add a teaspoon of moringa powder into your cup, add in hot water, let it cool and drink it. But before you go ahead to drink it, speak with a health practitioner and make more research on this. But basically, moringa is filled with lots of nutrients that is great for both our natural hair, our skin, and our overall health. And the benefit of
it will help to regulate blood sugar levels. It will help to promote good digestion. It will enhance and nourish your skin from within. Like, it will nourish and enhance the skin and hair from within. Like, it's a win-win thing. So another good way to actually enjoy all of the benefit that comes with moringa is to drink it. It's a low cholesterol drink. Like, it's so amazing for the health that it's a win-win. Yes. So So these are ways you can actually include Moringa and you enjoy all the benefit that comes with Moringa. You can infuse it and have it as a hair growth oil that you can apply to both your scalp and your hair. You can use it as a hair butter. The same way, use it to lock in moisture. You can use it as a hair mask or a hair treatment and your hair will definitely love it. And you can also use it as a hairspray or a final hair oil and also drink it. Yes. So these are basic ways that I have found Moringa to be very helpful. And I hope you find this video very helpful as well. And let me hear from you in the comment section. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon in the next one. Until then, stay healthy, stay beautiful.